welcome back. I wanted to talk today a little bit about the three sisters of Wing Chun, Bong, Tan, Fook, and how they prove each other. And when we do these techniques, here's Bong. So we got our Bong here, and there it is. Got our Bong. And then if we keep this wrist in the same place and drop the elbow, we get Tan. And if we turn this over, we get Fook. Or turn it over this way, we get Fook. So the three techniques have the same position, and they can therefore prove that the position is right by keeping these in the same spot. Okay, so we say that these three techniques will prove each other, prove that they're in the right position. If this Bong is over here, and then the Tan is over here, and then the Fook is over here, and switching between them causes this kind of thing, then they're not proving themselves. They're not proving that they're in the right position according to the center line where they should be. That's all I wanted to say about the Bong, Tan, and Fook techniques and how they prove each other for this lesson. Once again, I thank you all for watching. I look forward to seeing you again. Until then, bye for now.